Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, I am very glad to see you, so many Krishna's part and parcel. You have come to understand Krishna consciousness. So stick to the principles, then your life will be successful. The principle is to purify ourselves. Just like when a man becomes sick, he has to purify himself by regulated principle, by diet, by medicine. Similarly, we have got this material disease covered by the material body. And the symptom of miseries are birth, death, old age and disease. So one who is serious about getting out of this material bondage and free from birth, death, old age and disease, so he must take to this Krishna consciousness. It is very simple and easy. If you do not know, if you are not educated, if you have no faith, you can simply chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And if you are educated, logician, philosopher, you can read our books, which are already in 15 number. There will be about 75 books of 400 pages to convince the philosopher, scientist, educationist what is Krishna consciousness. It is published in English as well as in other European languages. Take advantage of it. Along with the deity worship in this temple, hold classes, at least 5 hours. As in the schools and colleges, there are regular classes, 45 minutes class, then 5 or 10 minutes recess, again 45 minutes class in this way. So, we have got enough subject matter to study, and if we study all these books, to finish them it will take at least 25 years. So you are all young men, I request you to engage your time in reading books, in chanting, in deity worshipping, and going to preach, selling books. Don't be lazy, always remain engaged, then that is Krishna consciousness. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Mang hi partha vapasritya jepishu papajonaya sriya vaishya satha shuddha stepi janti parangati. There is no discrimination that this man should be allowed, this woman should not be allowed. No. Krishna says, anyone, sriya vaishya tatha shuddha. Anyone who takes to Krishna consciousness, he becomes free from the material bondage and goes back to Godhead, back to home. So take seriously about this movement and execute the principle, namely no meat eating, no illicit sex, no intoxication, no gambling, and chant 16 rounds. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,